On a silent and forgotten dumping ground, a legendary Rolls-Royce lies abandoned. Covered in dust, rust, and broken dreams, this luxury car looks completely forgotten by time. Once a symbol of power and elegance, it now waits for someone who can see its true value.
A skilled mechanic arrives at the site. His eyes don't see junk, they see potential. He walks around the car carefully, inspecting every dent, every broken part, imagining what this Rolls-Royce could become once again.
After negotiating, the mechanic buys the car with his hard-earned money. With great effort, the abandoned Rolls-Royce is loaded onto a truck. A new journey begins, leaving the garbage behind and moving toward a second life.
The truck reaches a new garage. This is where magic happens. The Rolls-Royce is unloaded carefully. Under bright lights, the mechanic prepares to restore not just a car, but a masterpiece.
The heart of the car, the engine, is opened. Old and damaged parts are removed one by one. New components are installed with precision. Slowly, the engine is rebuilt from scratch, ready to roar back to life.
Every dent is repaired with care. The body is smoothened perfectly. Then comes the fresh paint, layer by layer, transforming the old, dull exterior into a shining symbol of luxury once again. Inside the car, everything is renewed. Old seats are replaced with premium leather. The dashboard is restored. Every detail inside reflects comfort, class, and craftsmanship, just as a Rolls-Royce should. The moment of truth arrives. The engine starts smoothly. The Rolls-Royce moves onto the road once again. From garbage to greatness, this car proves that with passion and hard work, anything can be reborn.